I just got the Doom Satomb Beyblade, and you saw that already in the thumbnail, right? And its owner, Silas. Okay, let's see the package. Okay, first the layer. It's chassis Saturn. Well, I'm gonna tell that in the name Kinetic Satomb, and the disc is 2, and the flame is Blade, and the driver is Loop. Okay, and here it says this can roll. Okay, and we gotta get the launcher like this, and the driver can loop too. Okay, let's unbox this, guys. Okay, let me just get that out. Sticky tapes. That always has to be sticky tapes. And let's open it. Oh wait, not again. Okay, first we have the ripcord. Can't do without a ripcord. Okay, next we have the grip. Okay, it's not rubber, it's just plastic. And next we have the launcher. Then we have, what is this? I don't know what this is, but I think I know something. I think it's for the gem. Let's see. And last but not least, we have the driver and the disc and the layer. See, guys? Watch this closely. It's pretty great, isn't it? And oh, I almost forgot. The stickers. Okay, now I'm gonna stick the stickers. Wait, I told you this can move. See? These 3 can move, and here it can move also. Whoa. Okay, and let's put it together. I mean the disc and this. Okay, I think you need these parts to go right here. Oh, okay, and turn it right here. Oh yes. There, it's tight. Now let me put on the stickers. Okay, I have done the stickers. Look, guys, isn't it great? Here, I'll give you a closer look. Okay, and now we have the disc, and let's put it like this. Alright, and here's the driver, and twist it. Okay, it's done. Okay, now for the record handle and the launcher. Okay, you can put anywhere like this. I'm gonna put wait a minute. Okay. It depends on your hand. Okay. Oh, other side. Okay. See? It's done. And you see the ripcord? Put it like this. Okay, and it's done. And let's do a test. Let it rip. It's doing so well. Oh wait, I gotta show you something. Here's Xenoscalius. I just like to call it Scalus, okay? And I just lose the sticker. That's the gem, see? But I pretty much like it. Let's do a test from it too. Okay, I forgot to show this. Sorry about that. Let it rip! it's doing so well too. Wait, I gotta tell you something. When I buy this, and the order came to my home, I felt so bad because look, it's not the driver I was expecting. It's just a defense type, not a stamina type. Okay, now let's do a battle on our stadium. Okay, and here's our stadium. Okay, let's launch. It's a Kinetic Satomb first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Next, Excalibur. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let's see who wins. Oh, burst contact. Oh, okay. Oh, Kinetic Satomb wins! Whoa, this is the best. Let's do a handspin launch, like Freddy La Jolla. I think it's gonna be a tie. No, Excalius won this one. Oh wait, I got something to show you guys. Okay, here's my Beyblade, my handmade Beyblade. I showed making it in a shorts, so better watch the next one I'm making. Here, see the tip? Okay, and it's going to. And here's my handmade launcher. Oh no, it's just stuck. Oh, okay. And remember my Infinity Nano? Well, I don't want to talk about that. Okay, now I'm gonna play a battle with my dad. Okay, here's my dad and let's do a battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Okay, it's all the hits from Doom Satomb. Oh, I mean Kinetic Satomb. Okay, and... No! Dad won! Okay, let's do another battle. Okay, let me just fix this. Okay, let's do this again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! No! First contact! Go! Kinetic Satomb! Do it! Please, don't let me down now! Oh, no! Okay, another hit, and that's all! Go! Kinetic Satomb! No! Dad won! Oh, I think my handmade one has the most power. And that's all. Okay. Let's do Excalius now. Okay, Dad? 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Go! Excalius! Go! Dual Savers! You can do this! No! Hold on there, buddy! No! Okay. Now let's do the last. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Go, Excalius! Burst contact. Go! You can do this! Another! Excalius won! And we need a tiebreaker for this round. Another battle, and it will trust our fate. Third battle, ready, set, 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Just jumped! Okay. First contact. Second. Do it, Excalius! No! Dad won! Okay, guys. Today I showed you my handmade Beyblade and its launcher and Excalius and Kinetic Satomb and the launcher. Rip guard! Let it rip! Okay, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell button too for these awesome Beyblades, especially for my handmade blade. Okay? I will show you how to make this Beyblade, I promise. And make sure to comment as well. And hope you enjoyed the video, and bye guys! See you in another awesome episode.